What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. If I was back here with a brand new one for you today, we are talking about DERIV. So DERIV is a binary options trading platform. Actually, you can trade Forex with this as well. So a lot of you guys have actually been liking and asking questions about this platform on the previous video I made, which is a long time ago. So I decided to make a full tutorial on how you can trade binary options, Forex, whatever it is you want to trade on DERIV. So with that being said, drop a like on this video if you really do enjoy it. If you have any questions, I'm always available to answer your questions. I answer all the questions in the comment section. So drop a like, subscribe, ask your questions. I would love to see them. And with all that being said, let's jump right into this and let me show you how you can use this. So let's start off this by actually talking about the D trader and the DMT5. Right, the D trader is where I go to trade binary options, while the DMT5 is where I go to trade Forex. So there are two different things. You see, all these other things don't really matter. You don't need this if you are trading just Forex and binary options, and that is what I do. So I do not use this and I do not know how to use them. But you are free to check out YouTube, other amazing channels out there, to check out what they do or how they use these other tools. They can actually make you some money as well, who knows. So that is that. Over here we have the assets you want to trade. Right now, the Forex market is closed, and I usually do trade Forex pairs. So the Forex market is closed, so I'm going to use the volatility as an example. So I do not really trade volatility. I do not know what it's really about. I don't understand the market, but well, it's there, so you can use. I'm going to use it as an example. So that is the volatility. This is the volatility chart right here. You can see it. So first things first, we have the chart types. So there are different types of chart types that you can use, as some of you already are familiar with crypto. So I'm going to change this time interval to a 1 minute candle, and I'm going to change the candlestick to I'm going to change the chart type to candlestick, right? So this is the most common chart pattern that most people are familiar with, right? Everybody's familiar with the candlestick patterns, right? So this is what I like to trade with. This is what I use. So you can choose any one you want. You can choose any one you feel comfortable with, right? So we have the indicators as well. You can use this to guide your trade. So if you if you're not sure where the market is going, you can make use of this to guide your trade. So these are really good for those who trade binary options. But for Forex, indicators are just like an extra confirmation of your trade. Hope you get that. So these are the indicators. The templates, I don't know what this is all about. Maybe you saved an indicator or something. I don't really use it. I don't know what it's all about, because I don't really use the DERIV platform that much. So these are the drawing tools. Actually, all drawing tools, you can use them to analyze the market, to check out the charts, all that good stuff. So the last one is if you want to download your charts. So you can just download your chart. If you have already made like an analysis on the chart and you want to download it, you can just download the chart right here on your computer or on your phone. So anywhere you want to download that, just download that. So now onto the left side of the screen, we have this right here. This is where you choose what type of trade you want to make. So I usually choose the rise and fall, because this is the default binary options template format. So it's either it goes up or it comes down. So that is what binary options is all about. But you have others as well, but I don't trade this at all, because I don't understand how they work, and it's like gambling to me. So life is about gambling. So you might give it a shot, you might give it a try, you might actually make some money, but try it on the demo account before you actually put any real money into this. So that is that. Now you have the ticks and the minute. What does the ticks mean? The ticks is actually for people who want to trade like ticks. If you go back here right now on your chart types, you can see tick right here. So if you click on area, I can click on ticks. So the only way you can see the ticks chart is if you use area, right? So the ticks mean 5 seconds, or each second, 1 tick, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a tick is like a second. So how many ticks does it take, or how many ticks do you want to make? Do you want the chart to make before you want your trade to close? So take for example 5 ticks right here. I want my trade to close on 5 ticks. If I place a rise, so on the next 5 ticks after my trade opens, it must be 5 ticks above, right? So if you can see right here, it's 5 ticks below, and I lost that trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me place another one for you just for the example. So I want my trade to be 5 ticks above the starting point. So you can see as well, that's a losing trade. So 5 ticks below as well. So you have to be sure what you want to make. what you want to trade. So I don't really trade the ticks, but the ticks is really, really fast money, to be honest. It's really, really fast money if you understand it. So let's move to the minutes. So now I like to make my minutes on a 1 minute chart. I like to trade depends on the 1 minute chart. So where do you see the chart going right now? The chart is going down like crazy. So let's just place a fall trade or a sell trade, if you whatever you want to call it, a fall or a sell. So let's just place that, and you can see after 1 minute, if your price is below your point of trade, you are making times 2 of your money, right? You are doubling your money instantly. So that is binary options for you. Very, very quick money, very easy, but actually you can lose a lot of money doing this as well. So that is that. Now this is your stake. This is the amount you want to put into it. Payouts, I'm not really sure what this means, but I use the stake button. So now let's move on to some other aspects. You can see my trade is already losing right now, so you have to be careful. You have to focus. You have to understand where you think the market is going to go before you actually place a trade. I'm just placing a trade blindly. I'm not making any analysis on it, so make sure you do your analysis before you place any trade. So now we have reports. This is going to show you all your trades. I've done a lot of trades right now as an example. So statement open positions, so you can see a lot of transactions. It's been a while since I've actually done DERIV. So this is a lot of transactions I've done today. You can see some green, a lot of red actually, a lot of red. So that's basically it, guys. You can see a lot of red. So cashier, this is where you go to deposit your money. So finally it loads up. So this is where you verify your account. I don't even think my account is verified, because they told me I don't need to verify, and I can actually trade and withdraw money. So if they don't want me to verify my account, that's their problem. So you verify your identity if you needed to. So and this is where you check all your accounts, where you deactivate your account, where you check a lot of things about your account. Let's see if the cashier actually opens right now. So if you want to deposit, you can click on real account. You have to go into your real account first and deposit. So now let's move on to the Forex aspect of this. If you want to trade Forex on DERIV, you need a DMT5 account, right? So you have to create a financial or a synthetic account. So a synthetic account is if you want to trade or volatility and all those kind of pairs, but a financial account is for Forex pairs. So let's create a financial account, and so you have to create a password. Let me just use this. Create the MT5 account. So let's click on continue, and I think we should have an account. So this is an account that we have. This is the ID, and they've given me a password. So to do this, you actually have to go onto your phone and actually use the MetaTrader app. I have another video on my channel which shows you how you can use the MetaTrader app. So that is for Forex, the Forex people among you guys. So if you are willing to trade, you are looking to trade Forex, this is where you need to go. You need to go into real accounts and create a financial account, and that's basically it. Log into your account and start trading Forex. So I do hope this video was helpful, because it's been a while since I've actually done a video on my channel. If you do enjoy the video, or if you do learn something from the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. And with all that being said, I just hope you guys have a great day, guys. I'm gonna close the video right now. Have a nice day. Peace.